Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we dive into the latest innovations and technologies driving the electric vehicle revolution. Today, we're exploring a game-changer in EV engineering: comprehensive design and optimization simulation, or CDOS. Imagine an automotive industry where design and engineering no longer revolve around individual components, but rather as a holistic approach to vehicle development. This is what CDOS offers: a system-wide methodology that ensures seamless integration of all components and subsystems, optimizing factors like range, comfort, and performance. In an exclusive conversation with Stephen Daum, Automotive Industry Solutions Director, and Piyush Karkare, Automotive and Transportation Solution Director at Siemens, we delved into the world of CDOS. According to Karkare, comprehensive design and optimization looks at vehicle design as a whole in terms of balancing three main things: range, comfort, and performance, all the way from integration perspective. This approach is particularly relevant for EVs, which introduce entirely new design paradigms like battery integration into the vehicle structure, power electronics, and software-driven controls. As Karkare pointed out, we're not just talking about the mechanical side of it. We're talking about all kinds of things, such as electrical optimizations, electronics, and chip level, where you have a lot of software driving these vehicles nowadays. Daum noted that taking these and other issues into account extends beyond the automaker itself. The need for a system-wide view changes the way automakers work with their suppliers. For example, suppliers develop a lot of electric drive systems because they are not part of the core development of car OEMs, and this changes a lot. It changes how people and organizations need to work together, said Daum. He noted that one need only look at the electric drive and thermal management. An electric drive might be developed by supplier A, the HVAC system by supplier B, the battery comes from supplier C, and all these things must work together optimally. Siemens plays a pivotal role in helping automakers implement CDOS, leveraging its powerful Siemens Accelerator portfolio. This comprehensive suite of tools allows multi-domain co-design, enabling seamless collaboration between mechanical, electrical, and software engineers. As companies race to shorten EV development cycles from 54 months to 18 months, Siemens CDOS solutions provide the necessary agility and innovation speed to stay competitive. An additional point to consider is the openness of Siemens solutions. As noted above, collaboration between automakers and their key suppliers is increasingly important with EVs. By being open, Siemens can integrate with tools from other vendors. Several leading EV manufacturers and suppliers have adopted Siemens CDOS methodology to optimize their designs and manufacturing processes. And it's clear that this holistic approach is the future of EV engineering, enabling automakers to design future vehicles faster, smarter, and more collaboratively than ever before. Join us next time on ElectroDrive News for more insights into the electric vehicle revolution and the latest innovations driving its growth.